guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Britt K here. I know I'm looking kind of rough, but I had a little bit of time on my hands to make a video. Ooh, I shouldn't have did it. I'm gonna just leave it like this. I had a little time on my hands to do my lashes, and I decided, like, okay, why not make a video about it? I know there's probably some videos out there already about how to do individual lashes, but whew, let me stop talking so fast because that's why I'm out of breath. I know it's a million videos out there on how to do these, but I just decided, why not record them, right? Like, why not record it? I might have another tip or trick that you guys didn't know and that you guys might find in my video. So just keep watching and see how I did these cute, long, kind of natural lashes, okay? Alright, you guys, so I already did this eye. Wait, can you see? Can y'all see the difference? Of course y'all can see the difference. I already did this eye. This eye is done, complete. I only went with one row, I guess. One row of individuals. Some people double them, but I don't like mine that thick. So I just do one and it looks natural. It looks cute. It's a little wispy, if you can see. It's a little wispy. I like that. And we're just about to get into the video. So I'm going to show you what you guys need. So you need some tweezers. I have these regular metal tweezers that I don't like, but I just have to work with what I have. You need a spoolie, which is this. You just need this to just keep combing through and comb your lashes before you apply them, and just keep combing through to make sure they're not tangled, make sure it's not free and stuff. You also need, of course, your lashes. I have the Ardell individual long black ones. So they come in. These are the ones I have. These are only $2.99 a pack. I got these from my local beauty supply. You can also get them from, like, never mind. I just get mine from the beauty supply. This is $2.99. I get the long ones. They come long, medium, and short. I started off with the short ones. Didn't like them. They was too short. I did the medium, I think. I used to do medium. Now I'm with the long because the long, I just like the way the long looks. Okay, you also need some hair glue. So this is the glue you will be using. No, it's not harmful to your eyes. I use this because it dries quickly, and I mean, these last me about a week. So these last me about a week only because I start peeling them off. I like to peel them off. No, it don't take out my lashes because the glue, it starts to get like a little tacky. But like, you can dry it, I guess, but once it starts getting tacky and stuff, or like if I'm like playing with it and I feel it, like I just peel it off. Or if just one come off, sometimes it still looks natural and still looks okay if one come off. But me, I just like, okay, might as well just pull them all off. Because, you know, like I said, I have a habit of just pulling them because I like the way that feels. Sorry, you guys. I was really interrupted by my sister. Anyways, what was I saying? I forgot what I was saying, but I think I told you everything, y'all. Okay, also, you need a mirror. Like one of these mirrors. Mine is kind of dirty, I know, so, and it's broke. But it's okay. I mean, you work with what you have. I just use this mirror to, like, really get in there. But really, you need to set the mirror down on something. So, like, set it down and then look into it. Because you really need both hands. I mean, I use both my hands. But I could try to show y'all with one hand today. Cause I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I don't know how I'm gonna set this down and look into the mirror and show you guys what I'm doing. So it's like unrealistic. Maybe you can do it, but I don't have a way that I can do it. So, well, I really like these. These make me look a little older. I mean, I'm only 19, but I look 12. So, let's get to this eye. I'm done talking. Let's get to this eye. So basically you just need something to put your glue on. So I just use this. I don't know if you guys already know this or not, but I'm just breaking out every little step so nobody won't ask me anything, okay? So just get something to put your glue on. I just got a piece of paper towel. Put my glue on here, a little dot. And just get your lashes out. First you're going to just brush your lashes out with the spoolie. Make sure it's not tangled or anything. I look a little ashy. Ignore that. Okay, so then just grab a lash. Grab a lash off of here. You're going to want to only dip the end into the glue. So the end is showing right there. Alright, you guys, I just did this eye. That's all I gotta say is, because as you can see, it was a struggle. Only because I couldn't do it with my mirror. I had to do it on the viewfinder on the camera. And that was kind of hard. You can see I did it. It would be much easier for you guys though, because you guys would have both your hands and then the mirror. And so just hold it up and then apply them, dip, apply. Basically, it's repetitive. Quick tips, I would suggest not getting a, get a metal one, but get the one where the ends aren't so, like get some with the ends as kind of dual, I guess, or like with the rubber ends, because if you grab your lashes like this, you're leaving a dent in the lash and changing the curl. Sometimes the curl will like split, or it just look ugly, like a little, it just be ugly. So just get some with like some rubber tips or something so it won't leave a dent. I had to like put away like 3 of them because I was squeezing it too hard with these metal ones. Also, of course, hold your lash up like this so you can see it underneath better. Another tip would be to, I can't think right now because I have to go and do something. Another tip, use your finger to like squeeze it sometimes. Like if you feel like you put too much glue on there, use your finger and like just hold it. What else? Of course, I love the spoolie. I mean, I don't have any more tips for real. If I do, I'll leave it in the description below. So just look down in the description. Please like, comment, subscribe, and if you have any questions, ask them. If you have any comments, just comment, basically. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.